Making a high-quality video currently wrestling massive software suites, scrubbing through dozens of audio tracks, and spending hours color grading just seconds of footage. Now compare that heavy lifting to sending a daily text message. Typing a quick sentence to a friend is the lowest friction action we take on a screen. OpenAI is about to collapse the distance between those two extremes by integrating Sora directly into the standard ChatGPT interface. Sora is an artificial intelligence model that can generate realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. Soon, you can type a casual sentence on your smartphone, and the app instantly builds a Hollywood-tier video right in front of you. This transition creates a friction mismatch, a world where generating media is effortless, while consuming that same media requires a new, deliberate level of scrutiny. The reason this leap in capability is hitting consumer apps so fast is the financial force pushing it from behind. The tech industry is currently locked in an aggressive hardware and software sprint. Nvidia recently poured $26 billion into building a massive new AI architecture called the Nemotron-3 Supermodel. The pace of this rapid development is so punishing that even established giants are struggling to keep up. Meta recently froze their upcoming Avocado AI project, delaying its release until at least May 2026. They delayed it because initial internal tests showed Avocado underperforming when placed head-to-head against Google's Gemini. Gemini is Google's flagship suite of multimodal large language models designed to compete directly with OpenAI. Because these companies are spending billions to avoid falling behind, they are moving advanced text-to-video tools directly into the chat apps we already use every day. On the creator side of the screen, this rollout bypasses the need for standalone editing apps for the majority of social media content. Even legacy media giants are rewriting their production pipelines. Look at Canal+, a major French broadcasting network. They recently partnered with Google and OpenAI to generate intricate historical film scenes using AI, removing the need to scout physical locations or build practical sets. If a national television broadcaster is swapping out camera crews for text prompts, the everyday YouTube creator now effectively carries an entire film studio in their pocket. Removing the requirement for technical training means high-end production capability now scales to the size of the internet's user base, saturating the market in a way that professional studios cannot match. Now, consider the consumer's perspective. What happens to our scrolling habits when absolutely anyone can artificially manufacture reality in seconds? Tech researchers have identified a specific threat in this environment: the automated, widespread distribution of hyper-realistic misinformation. Researchers warn of AI agent swarms, autonomous programs that make decisions to achieve specific goals. In a swarm, individual bots cluster to amplify targeted propaganda. Operating autonomously, they flood social media feeds far faster than human moderators or algorithmic filters can detect. When the line between a quick text message and a broadcast-quality video is erased, our intrinsic, built-in trust of digital video begins to collapse. The tech companies building these tools are aware of these risks. Recent corporate buyouts represent a retroactive attempt to build guardrails against their own technology. We saw evidence of this shift when OpenAI acquired a security startup called Promptfoo. Promptfoo's explicit purpose is to lock down these AI agents, preventing them from independently executing hacks or misfiring into unauthorized rogue operations. This internal corporate focus has triggered immediate government action, with lawmakers rushing to draft regulations designed to penalize AI misuse. This is the new two sides of the screen. On one side, you hold effortless power whenever you create, but on the other, you face a constant, exhausting skepticism whenever you consume. The new daily reflex for every internet user must be to verify a piece of media before believing it. The internet we used to trust by default is gone.